Using time tracking is one of the most effective ways to streamline task delegation and improve your team's productivity. If you've ever struggled to assign tasks efficiently or felt that things were slipping through the cracks, then this video is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use time tracking to take control of task delegation and boost your team's performance. The first thing you need to do is set clear goals and expectations. This is where time tracking really comes into play. By tracking how long tasks take, you can make more accurate predictions for future work, and you'll quickly learn what types of tasks tend to take more time. This allows you to delegate tasks more effectively because you'll know exactly how much time you're working with. Next, ensure you're tracking the right tasks. Use your time tracking software to break down your projects into smaller, manageable chunks. Instead of tracking a large, vague task, track smaller, more specific actions within that task. This gives you clear data on what's really eating up time, so you can adjust your priorities or delegate tasks to the right people. Now, let's talk about delegation. With accurate data from time tracking, you can match tasks to team members based on their strengths, workloads, and skill levels. For example, if one person consistently finishes a specific type of task quickly, they're the perfect person to handle similar tasks in the future. Over time, you'll be able to fine-tune your delegation strategy, knowing exactly who to delegate which tasks to for maximum efficiency. It's also important to use your time tracking data to identify bottlenecks. If certain tasks are consistently taking longer than expected, it could be a sign that you need to provide additional resources or training. By identifying these bottlenecks, you can resolve issues before they slow down your entire project. Our software has a feature that makes this process even easier by generating detailed reports on your team's time usage. This allows you to see at a glance where time is being spent, who's overworked, and what tasks are causing delays. With this insight, you'll be able to delegate tasks more intelligently and ensure that your team is always working on the highest priority items. If you're interested in trying this out for yourself, I've linked an exclusive free trial to our software in the description below. This offer is only available to my channel's viewers, so be sure to take advantage of it. Now, for the key takeaway, using time tracking to streamline task delegation isn't just about knowing how long things take. It's about using that data to make smarter decisions about who does what, when, and how. Track specific tasks, delegate based on strengths, and identify bottlenecks before they slow you down. To quickly recap, here's what you need to remember. Set clear goals and expectations, track specific tasks, delegate based on data, and use time tracking to identify and eliminate bottlenecks. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of our software in the description to get started today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.